Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metaplanet, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin is still going sideways. The breakout didn't happen yesterday, even that we were again pushing towards the upside. But why is this happening? Let's get into the details. Then I would like to also talk about the FOMC meeting, which is happening actually today and tomorrow. And also, the topic, the other one I'm going to discuss is Metaplanet rallies 10% after the company announced that they buying Bitcoin. And we have Elon Musk, and who is saying that he's about to ban Apple devices if OpenAI is integrated with OS. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchainbloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is at 67,177 US dollar right now, which is a 3% fall in the last 24 hours in the price. Ethereum, 3,540 US dollar. It's also a bit more than 3.6% down in the last 24 hours. The winner of the day is GNO, 8% up. Injective, 5%. Tron, almost nothing. I mean, this doesn't count anymore. Losers, well, Notcoin, 12% down. Wormhole, 10% down. And Mantra, down almost about 10%. So now we rather have a day when we actually going a bit more down than up. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see here the daily. You know, yesterday, as I drew here on the weekly, you know, this kind of I do it on the daily, but actually the weekly is more important. So this week isn't finished yet, so this is one thing I would like to highlight. But also here on the daily, we can see now this trend line, and we have a breakout towards the downside. And now let's discuss a little bit what's happening right now. So one thing which caused this breakdown was that we had very nice inflows for 19 days into Bitcoin spot ETFs in the United States. Well, yesterday on Monday, actually, this streak was broken as about 64 million US dollar outflows were registered. And this also caused some, you know, trend changing a little bit short term, I mean, on the market, because we had this inflows. You got used to it for weeks now. And then suddenly we had the outflow. So one thing, what's happening. The second thing I would like to highlight is all about that minor capitulations are going on. Just think about it. You know, we have had the halving, you know, on the 20th of April. And what's happening on the halving? You know, the miners' block reward is cut in half. So the smaller miners really suffering. It's not that easy for them. Therefore, you know, they reach the point sooner or later they cannot, you know, do it anymore in this way. They have to sell some of their Bitcoin just to survive. And you know, they waited after the halving for a while, waiting for the price going up. But if it's not happening, they have to sell something. So this could be also part of it. And the third thing I would like to mention is the FOMC meeting, which has also this kind of impact many times. On the week of the FOMC meeting, there's a lot of volatility. Price goes down, price goes up. And yeah, it's happening today and tomorrow. But now let's talk about that as well. Well, FOMC meeting happening actually now on the, you know, here's the calendar, on the 12th of 11th, which is today, and the 12th of June, which is actually tomorrow. So what are the expectations? Well, 99.4% is saying that there will be no changes. So no rate cuts, no rate hikes, nothing it just will stay as it is right now. This is what the majority believes. We do know for crypto and for liquid market, the rate cut would be the one which could push up the price. So now, I wouldn't say that they're that undecided, because it's a really, really big majority saying one thing. So probably this is what's going to happen. There won't be any changes, but rate cuts can come on the second part of the year, maybe around autumn. We're going to see it, and that still can boost the price. Anyway, if this is something happening, the market is going usually in a sideways, and there's a bit more volatility. Right, third news, it's all about Metaplanet, because it has rallied 10% after the company announced another Bitcoin purchase. So we can see that companies, they put Bitcoin on their balance sheets, so they're purchasing Bitcoin. It's usually good for the company. It's usually good for its stock and shares. So look at this. We have Metaplanet at rallies 10% after they scooped another amount of Bitcoin. This was actually the third in the row in 7 weeks. So basically a bit less than 2 months time. And they announced it that the latest one was $1.6 million worth of Bitcoin, 23.25 Bitcoin. And with this altogether, they have a bit more than 141 Bitcoin. You know, they calling them the Asian MicroStrategy, because we can see many times companies investing in Bitcoin, people or the investors believe this is good investments right now, and this is actually very, very important. And the price is just going up, and the same happened clearly with MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy's price is high because they invested in Bitcoin, and who knows, maybe others going to follow as well if this is really working out just like that. Okay, and finally, let's talk about, which it's not totally crypto related, but also important because, AI, it's really in crypto as well. Elon Musk is involved in crypto. So, well, Elon Musk just said to ban Apple devices if OpenAI is integrated with OS. So, what we had yesterday, we had, the announcement on the Worldwide Developer Conference from Apple on the 10th of June. And the tech giant revealed an Apple Intelligence suite of new generation artificial intelligence features, which will be rolled out to the iOS 18 and so on and so forth later, this year. So one feature will enable Apple's voice assistant, Siri, to relay users' questions to ChatGPT when necessary. And, well, Elon Musk has threatened to ban Apple devices at his companies should Apple integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT into iPhone, iPad and Mac operation systems. He's saying that if Apple integrates OpenAI at the OS level, then Apple devices will be banned at my companies. That is an unacceptable security violation. This is what he stressed. He doesn't really like OpenAI for sure. And, well, we do know that, even Google, Apple, all these others just spy on people. But this will be another level of spying probably if this is announced and he really doesn't like it. You can share your opinion about it, of course. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Then very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.